St. Mary's Orthopedics team is amazing. These are my new friends, and I feel like I've quickly become a part of the team. I'm Boris Kovalenko. I'm a new orthopedic surgeon here in Maine. I grew up in Georgia. I went to Georgia Tech for undergrad, went to Medical College of Georgia and University of Georgia for medical school. Did my residency training out in Seattle at the University of Washington, and did my fellowship at Emory University for adult hip and knee replacements. I got into medicine because I wanted to make a difference helping other people. Early on, I think my grandma kind of put me onto the idea of maybe you should be a doctor, you're good at science, and you're good with your hands, maybe you should be a surgeon. And I was like, that sounds kind of cool, I'll think about it. And so as soon as I started medical school, I knew I was going to be a surgeon from the get-go. As soon as I walked into an operating room, I fell in love with it. I knew within my heart that I was going to go into surgery because I enjoyed a problem approaching me being able to fix it and seeing an instant result. That was very satisfying for myself. So I take care of adults who have hip and knee arthritis. I see people with all various stages of the disease. Some people come in at the very onset of it where they have a couple aches and pains. Some people show up in wheelchairs and they can't walk or hike or enjoy life anymore, and I love taking care of all of them. Ultimately, at the end of the day, my philosophy is to treat my patients as if they're a family member or a close friend of mine. If someone comes in early in the disease process, we talk about things we can do to help make them comfortable and live the best lifestyle they can. But sometimes that doesn't do the trick, and then we have to do surgery. And when we replace those patients' hips, they're able to get up out of their wheelchair, get rid of their walker or cane, and walk again. And when they come back, it's just all smiles and high fives. It's really a great feeling when you take someone who couldn't enjoy life because of the pain that they had in their hip or their knee, and then to eliminate that pain and let them get back to that quality of life that they missed for so long. That's one of the best feelings I've ever experienced.